So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Project Elxir version 3.10 based on Android 13 for Mi 11X Redmi K40 the Poco F3. So the prerequisites are: you need to have an unlocked bootloader, you need to be on MIUI, you need to remove your MI account, you need to remove your Google accounts, and then you need to remove your password and security. Once all of them are done, you need to have these two files in your internal storage, which is the firmware part and the Project Elxir ROM zip. It should also have TWRP pre-installed, so once everything is done, you need to reboot into TWRP by powering off your phone. Press power and volume up button. So once your recovery is booted, we can head into wipe, advanced wipe, and then clear the tablet card cache. Once that is done, we can go back to install and then install the firmware. So in the firmware, the recommended firmware is 14.0.9 EEA. So that's linked in the description of the video. So flash this. So once that is done, we can go to home, install, and then click on the ROM zip and then click on automatically reflash TWRP and then install the ROM. So once the ROM is installed, the failed to mount errors can be ignored and the recovery has been flashed completely. Now let's head into reboot and then click on recovery. Once your recovery is booted, we can head into wipe, format data, and then type in yes. Once the format data is successful, we can reboot the system. Here we go, our ROM is booted. Let's do a quick setup. So here we go, the ROM is booted. The wallpaper looks pretty good and we have no stutters in the scrolling down. It's absolutely smooth. Now let's head into settings, and the ROM is based on Android 13. So the kernel version they're using is Nexus Elxir. Now let's go into the essence and let's head into themes. We had a bit of stutter when entering the themes, that's fine. You can use the custom theme, we can choose black, you can choose clear. There are many more options. Let's go to the default. The phone is a bit laggy right now because I just changed the theme. You can change the fonts. So we have icon pack. You can change the icon packs over here. But this takes a lot of time to change compared to the other ROMs. We can change the app shapes. Okay, that's a glitch. You can see the app shapes are changed, and this build is G-Apps build. We have the Dolby Atmos pre-installed and also MIUI cam included. That's pretty nice. Under signal icon, we can change separately. Also, we can also change the Wi-Fi icon. And on the lock screen, we have double tap to sleep, edge lightning, media cover art, and then screen off animation. It vibrates on a successful fingerprint authentication or vibrates on a error fingerprint authentication. Under status bar, we have QS pull down, a display 4G icon instead of LTE, like 5G. We have battery styles, battery percentage hidden, or etc. Under quick settings, we have QS customizations. We can customize the QS panel and then vibrate on touch. We have the brightness slider. We can check our data usage. We have gestures, 3-finger navigation, two button navigation, or swipe. Under miscellaneous, we have enable advanced restart. So this is gonna enable long pressing the power button wakes up Google, so I think we need to get them here. Under advanced restart, we have system recovery, bootloader, and system UI. So even our notifications are changed to cylinder. That's pretty nice. We have unlock higher FPS in games. It gives you 90 or 120 FPS in different kind of games. We have game space, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do the Geekbench 6 test. So the single core is 941 and the multi-core is 2864. That's pretty less, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and do the CPU throttling test. So we have a stable of 80% throughout the test. That's pretty good. I think the Geekbench score is less because the kernel is going to take some time to stabilize with the ROM. So here 80% is still good. Now let's go ahead and do the speed test for 5G. So we have a pretty good 5G test results. Download speed of 645 Mbps and upload speed of 30 Mbps. So if this video helped you on how to install Project Elxir, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.